Welcome to my office / Raycast recording studio. Today's Friday, which is a Ray day here at Raycast, meaning we can do whatever we want. We have Bruno behind the camera. There he is. He's been here for a couple of weeks, helping us take the whole video setup to the next level. Let's use this Friday to basically do a little tour, and I'm gonna show you the things that I do here, and then Bruno is gonna show you the little technical details. So this is where I normally sit. We've got the camera, the overhead mic. Right now I'm using the mic from the camera, but normally I use the mic up here. So let me record that. And now it should sound much better with this new mic that we have. Bruno will talk a little bit more about it later. Shall I use the phone to kind of show the camera and how things look from my perspective?
Yeah, let's do some editing magic.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
There we go. This is a table. This is a table that I only use when I'm shooting the videos or when I have guests coming over to work from here. We've got the camera over there. That's a Sony ZV-E10. I've got normally a little book or a magazine here. I change that every now and then. And I've got the laptop slightly to the side. We also tried having the laptop in front and, we tried a few different things, but we decided that this is the best place for it.
So do you want to go over a little bit of the choices in the set and how you decorated it?
All right, let's do this. What shall we start with? Maybe we can start with a coffee corner.
Of course, because we're coffee nerds.
I make a lot of coffee during the day, so we've got here a nice fellow grinder, and I got this grinder because it looks great on the set and because it grinds well, I guess. Whenever a friend of mine goes to Brazil, obviously I'm Brazilian, so I have a lot of friends that go there, they bring me back coffee from this brand, and I love it. I also have a little card from the Phottix team. Everybody knows how passionate I am about this team. Thank you very much. This furniture set, just something I got from IKEA. I wanted to make this set look like something I would have at home, so it's not kind of like made for this. The books were mine. Everything came from my house. This lamp I've had for over 10 years. It's from the 1930s. Got my little mechanical keyboard, my Keychron K2, which I kind of stopped using, to be honest.
Because it's loud as f***.
This is the little red light. It should be charged now, so I'll turn it on just to, make things a bit better. And that's where it normally,
that's cool.
That's where it normally sits. That's how we create this sort of gradient in the background.
So in our Slack, we had the last couple of weeks cache, prefacing.
Here are some screenshots I took. When did I take this? This was November 2022.
Who is he?
I don't remember his name, but he was like the guy making videos for Sketch.
Oh, so it's like YouTubers that you...
Yeah, I think he actually works for Sketch now, and he makes great videos. This one I was looking for a neon sign. At one point I thought maybe it's cool to put a neon sign, This guy, I really liked the lighting. I thought the lighting here was really good. This guy is actually a friend of mine. His name is Bruno as well. Oh. And I quite like it that he's not centered. I thought maybe that's something we can try. I was also exploring, ideas where the laptop is right in front of me or to the side, like with Ali Abdal's case. I did a bit of research to get some inspiration. Mic in the shot,
Oh, Nina.
Yeah, and then this is actually when I got some of the first bits and I started putting things together. So in this day, my daughter was here in the office. And now, look, I got the camera, got the little light in the back. So slowly started to become slightly better to finally what we have today. Actually, what we had yesterday because we removed the arm. Are you nervous?
I'm a little bit.
Oh, you've been here for 2 weeks. One of the reasons we came here is so we could improve the setup a little bit and make videos together. So why don't you tell us the improvements that you've made in the last 2 weeks?
All right, yeah, let's do it. The first thing, which is my favorite thing, is the audio. This one is an audio interface. So it's a Volt interface with 2 inputs. I really like this one. This makes it sound super good. And it's also beautiful, right? To have
It
in
is
your desk.
beautiful, yeah.
Very well built. This interface is connected to the Mac so that we can record audio directly here on QuickTime with a Raycast extension. What we have connected to it right now is this Rode NTG5 microphone that goes through this mic arm that we had a whole debate about on Twitter about whether we should show the mic in frame or if we shouldn't, and people kind of wanted it to not be in frame. And also this sounds a lot better, right?
I mean, I'm
Yes,
personally
yeah.
very happy that we're not going to have it in frame.
But before, he was using this very small kit lens, which, you know, it's a kit lens. I feel like the lens is the thing that makes the most difference in the image, apart from lighting. Like, once you have the good lighting setup, which you already had, the lens is the thing that makes the most difference, even more than the camera. So we got a proper prime lens with a 1.4 aperture, so we can blur the background a little bit more. Because we have some natural light going on that we can't really control, we got an ND filter. It's a variable ND filter that we can make darker or lighter, sort of sunglasses for the camera, right?
Can I just say,
Camera's just cool.
I'm so happy with the new lens. And I was
Right?
very hesitant to buying a new lens. They're expensive, but the difference is really, really nice.
Yeah, it's like it's
And-
just sharper, we blur the background.
It makes such a big difference. And the sunglasses for the lens was a nice little trick that I didn't even know existed. And I'm very happy to have learned that.
For lighting, we have this big softbox. And for backlight, we got this LED panel that we leave at the warmest setting so that we have some color contrast going on. A little bit of warmer tone here. This is like daylight balance, so it's more white.
Mm-hmm.
This thing has a lot of light spill. We could see just glimpses of the light in the wall. That was very icky to me. So I made Pedro get some of this foil thing, which is called cine foil.
This is proper Hollywood stuff.
Oh, the candle. Did we show the candle?
We did not show the
Yeah,
candle.
this is just a regular red light, but the cool thing about the candle is it's all fake, right? Since we're shooting with like a lot of light in front of Pedro, like we're doing it at 100%, right?
Yeah.
The candle light is too weak for the camera, so it wouldn't really show up. So I got in the back is another one of those, but in a candle mode, so that it pretends to be a candle and we can see it in the camera properly,
That's a nice
which
trick.
is quite fun. And I think that's it for the technical details, isn't it?
Yeah.
So back to Pedro.
All right. All right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit behind the scenes, how we're recording the videos here at Raycast. Bruno, thanks for your help. And see you in the next one.